Hi guys, in this video we will see some of the commands that allow the management of text content in Excel. These functions are quite useful when we have to elaborate large quantities of text data within a worksheet and can save tons of time. In the left part of our sheet, we have a long German word which will serve us well for the purpose of the exercise. Let's start with the function left. It allows Excel users to obtain a specified number of characters which stand to the left side of a given text string. We just type left, select the cell which contains text, and then type the number of characters which we would like to obtain. Let's say that I'd like to obtain 6 characters, so I'll type 6 as a second argument, and the formula displays 𝗘𝗏 as a result. If we change the second parameter to 3, it will display 𝗘𝗏. The right formula works in a similar fashion, with the only difference being that it gives as a result the characters at the end of a text string. Let's provide an example. We need to type right, select the cell with text, and enter as a second argument the number of characters. Selecting 3 as the second argument, we obtain as a result the last 3 characters of the word, BBE. Mid is the third formula we will see in this video. Mid is similar to the left function as well. The main difference, though, is that the user can decide which character of the word he wants to start from. I will type mid and select the text cell as the first argument. The second argument asks us where to start from. It has to be a number. 1 corresponds to the letter first in the word. Let's start from the 4th character. As the last argument of the function, we must select how many characters we would like to obtain. Let's say that in our case, we would like 7 characters. And here is our result. We obtained 7 characters, starting from the 4th letter of the word. In case you may ever need to convert uppercase or lowercase letters, you will benefit from becoming familiar with upper, lower, and proper. The function upper will convert a string to all uppercase letters. We just have to type upper and select the cell. See? Pretty easy to do. The function lower, on the other hand, will convert the text to all lowercase letters. As I type lower and select the cell B4, the text string is converted into all lowercase letters. It's easy to apply as well. The next function we will be introducing is proper. Its application is exactly the same as the one of upper and lower. Its output will be an uppercase first letter, and the rest of the letters will be lowercase. Now let's go ahead and see the application of the AND and concatenate functions. They serve for the same purposes, and this is why we'll see them together. Let's type equal. Select the cell B4, type the AND sign, and select C4. The result is that the 2 text strings are combined within the same cell. We can add D4 as well if we want to. Just continue the formula by typing and selecting D4. What if we wanted to leave a blank space between each of them? We have to type quotation marks and leave a blank space within it. See? Pretty intuitive. The same thing is valid for concatenate. Type concatenate, select the text strings, which are the only arguments of the function, and the result is the same as the one we saw for the AND function. These are the main functions that you will need when you have to elaborate text in Excel. Thanks for watching.